Neil here. I'm on a commercial property today. As you can see here, we're unscrewing all the gutter guard, and we're talking a very large property here. All of this guard is coming off. You can see what happens in situations like this where they install the guard on the corners. Now this property is really reliant on the corners being accessible and flowing correctly, and what's happening here is that all the leafage is backing up, which the customers now complained of. When this happens, the water starts to shoot, and it rains a heavy rain, the water starts to shoot into the corrugate and then into the internal spaces, and damaging the eaves and the ceilings, roof, ceiling plaster inside the property. So I want to show you this because I've come up against this so many times, and it's very unfortunate because they would have spent in excess of, I'm going to just show you the size of this place, $5,000 or more on this property to install this guard. Now let's have a look over here. Grass growing out. Oh, more grass growing out. I mean, it's unbelievable that this product is sold to people, giving them the idea that it's going to be maintenance free. It's absolute rubbish. It's very sad. They spent a hell of a lot of money to install it. Now they're spending a lot of money with us to uninstall it, and at the end of the day, the bottom line is they're going to have to then have a maintenance schedule in place to maintain their gutters, which is always the case whether you install this product or not. Okay, there's absolutely no trees here, nothing. Now let's look into these box gutters. You can see the debris that's sitting in the bottom of those, right? Now have a look at this box gutter. There's grass, full on plants growing right in there. I hope you can see that clearly. We're going to have to unscrew all of this. In a property like this, like I said, these gutters are relying on these corners being clear so that the water can actually flow to the downpipes. You can see the same thing there. So anyway, there we go. It's I think anyone who's thinking about installing this kind of product, this gutter guard, really needs to do their research and find out if it's going to work on their property. 80 to 90%, I would say 90% of the properties I've seen with this guard on, it doesn't work. Hey everyone, so we're still here on this commercial property, just removing all the guard. As you can see here, this is a box gutter. Now there's absolutely no trees around here at all, and yet you're seeing so much debris in this section of gutter, and the owners have told me that there's water cascading in under the gutter into the eaves. So I just want to show you that even if you don't have trees around your property, this gutter guard doesn't always work. There we go, there's the evidence. Thanks folks. Okay folks, so I hope that's a good educational video, and hopefully if you get a chance to watch this video, you might save yourself a hell of a lot of money by not installing this and actually just having a regular schedule set up to clean the gutters. Thanks folks, bye.